In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn a regular picture into a passport photo using Microsoft Word. This process is not only simple and straightforward, but also incredibly handy when you need to prepare passport photos quickly and without any fuss. To start, open your Microsoft Word file. You'll want to begin by adjusting the layout of your document to suit the dimensions of a standard passport photo. So navigate to the top of your screen and click on the Layout tab. Here, you're looking for the Size option, which is part of the Page Setup section. By adjusting the page size, you'll ensure that your photo fits perfectly when it's printed. Once you've clicked on Size, a drop-down menu will appear. You'll want to explore further by selecting the More Paper Sizes option. Here, you can customize the paper size, which is essential for creating the right proportions for your photo. Set the width to 6 inches and the height to 4 inches. This setup provides you with enough space to work with your image. After entering these measurements, click OK to apply the changes. Your page is now ready for the next step. Now let's insert the picture you want to transform into a passport photo. To do this, head to the Insert tab at the top of your screen and select Pictures. From here, you can browse your device to find and insert the picture you'd like to use. Once your picture appears in the document, it's time to adjust its size to meet passport photo requirements. Move over to the Picture Format tab that appears after you've clicked on your image. In the Size section of this tab, change the height of the picture to 1.6 inches and the width to 1.3 inches. These dimensions are standard for passport photos, ensuring that you meet official specifications. With the size perfectly set, you might want to give your photo a professional finish. While still under the Picture Format tab, find the option for Picture Border. Adding a border can help your image stand out more clearly, especially when printed. Choose a simple border that complements your photo, nothing too fancy, just something that enhances its appearance. And there you have it, your own customized passport photo created right within Microsoft Word. This method is convenient for anyone who needs a quick and efficient way to create passport photos at home. With these straightforward steps, you've learned how to set up your page size, adjust the photo dimensions, and even add a border for that final touch. This process not only saves you time and money, but also empowers you with a valuable skill for future projects. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Until next time, take care and happy creating.